Hello everyone, we are with the Apple list. Today we will examine Apple stock with you. You are all welcome. Approximate to where you last saw it. We received an hour's signal from 222 levels with the signal. It's a little bit. The price action has declined to the 210 and 210 zones, where the nearest support zone is 211.26, which is the inside the blue box. And if they go further down, because it's a sell-in level, it's 200. So what does it mean exactly? It refers to the 200-day moving average. If the level you see gets the support from here, the rises it will make will remain as a reaction rises, because the dictator of set yen has stepped in. What levels do we have above? Our levels 222 and 221 are very important. What you see here are the two boxes on the right. Well, when we examine the prices on the other days, we see that they cannot exceed their previous of level. It's always like that as long as the 232 region doesn't get past the 232 region. The sellers in the market step not in the put downward pressure on the downward market, the share price of Apple friends. So when we draw a trend line in a technical sense, we see a wave like this. This is according to the narrowing triangle pattern. It can come down and go up. The support levels below seem to have shown more clearly like this. The 211 terrorites are very important. In fact, let's draw a line here to support you. Let's make the color blue. In this movement, I try to make the same color as the average, above and above as important resistance level. We can choose here. If you look at logically, it's more likely to come anywhere on this line, and it's more likely to come all over the line below. Do not forget to evaluate them. We will re-evaluate the places in days. Thanks for watching me. Bye for now.